Hi guys, welcome back to Ron's Keto Cafe. Today we're making a Wonder Bread Shopper recipe. For this you need 1 tablespoon of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 egg and a pinch of salt. And you'll mix everything up all together in a measuring cup or a bowl, and then we'll heat up the mini dash, and then we'll spray it a little bit with a cooking spray like you're seeing me over here in the video. And after about 3 minutes later, we get a nice clean really great shop. And then what I did with this one, I just took the spoon and I was just spreading it out to cover up the holes, and these came out really good. To my amazement, it really did taste like Wonder Bread. It wasn't eggy or anything like that. Now look at that, how nice and golden brown that was, and kind of like really like an eggo. And then I just used up the rest of the mixture, and this made 2 Chaffles, by the way. And yeah, I was really surprised because it was really liquidy when I mixed it all in together, and I didn't know it was going to get the same texture that I was looking for. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. And then at the end of the video there, I decided, well, if we're going to have a Chaffle, what are we going to use it for? So I wanted to make an egg. So there you have our 2 Chaffles together. And then on the next video segment, I have an egg coming up on the how I made the egg and put it all together into the sandwich. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.